What can you say about them?
Yeah, we have to pack everything. It's more than 40 kilos now.
No, we don't have to everything. We have to pack.
When life's worth living, it's worth recording. This bright new future is worth exploring. So grab your camera and call all your friends, and hope that this dream never ends. Living life through a lens.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome once again to my vlog. And this is my dad.
Yes, we're packing now and ready to go to Philippines.
Yeah. So this two luggage, and this one for chocolates, and another baggage for any other things. So yes, getting ready because this is our last weekend here. Yeah. See? What can you say about them?
Yeah, we have to pack everything. It's more than 40 kilos now.
No, we don't have to everything. We have to pack. That's
kilos. The airlines allowed only for 40 kilos, but we are exceeding 40 kilos.
Did you hear that, guys? What are you cooking, Dad?
I'm doing some adobo pusit for the lunch today.
Adobong pusit.
Yeah.
Yummy. See this one?
Just wait.
Adobong pusit. Wow, grabe ang init. It's like 10 o'clock, but it feels like 12 already. So papalamigin muna yung sasakyan dahil malulusaw kapag pumasok ka sa loob. Sabi ni Dad, it's 45 degrees daw. By the way, I'm going to lunch date with my friends. So see you there. Bilang pineapple and bilang ako ice cream. Yes, baka naman may pasalubong ako sa kanila. So ayun guys, maglalakad na lang ako kasi malapit na lang doon sa pinagbilang ko ng ice cream yung bahay ng mga brothers ko. Hi guys, I'm here right now. Bangus. Oh, masarap. Boom.
Boom,
Say hi. Uy, mahiya ka naman kay Tito Chad.
Hindi yan bading, no?
Ang laki na ng anak mo, Mara. Si Baby Chloe. Paburpin mo. Yan, mag-practice ka na. Oo nga. Yan. Ganyan ba magpa-burp? So ayan, ang ingay kasi Friday ngayon. So pag Friday ganyan kaingay yung mga moske nila. Tapos nagkakagulo silang lahat. So yun, kain lang ng lunch, then tulog. Natulog lang. So yun, uwi na ako ngayon. Kita-kits. Yan, ganito kadaming tao sa bayan pag Friday. So yan. Daming tao, diba? Baka siyang Divisoria o kaya Baclaran. So mga taxi. Ito ang pinakabayan ng Jubail. So yes. Daming tao. Pero nag-iisa, may Jollibee dyan. Panis, bagong gawa lang yung Jollibee yan eh. Ay, pakan Divisoria lang. Tapos mga karamihan dito, mga Indiano yan, tsaka Pakistani. Bibihira lang talaga yung mga Pilipino. Kaya mga Pakistani, Pilipino, mga Indiano. Say hi! Mga friendly ang mga yan. So this is another part of Jubil downtown. Local restaurant. Here we have full of chicken and some barbecues. So I'm just waiting for my dad because it's very hot. I don't want to walk. Okay, here he is. Yeah, bumili nga pala akong bagong shades, polarized again, but look at this one. See, it's very nice. See this one? Cool. Yeah. This is my old one. Also polarized Oakley, but just plain. You call this one stem. Plain stem. It's time to fix this one. Manly job here. Yes. So let's see if I can fix this one. Boom! Panis! And that is how you fix it. Yeah! Look at the flare, guys. So we're out again to eat dinner, right?
Yeah, we're going to Cabana.
We're going back again to Cabana to just eat dinner.
Just about to ride.
Once again, we are back here at Cabana. Boom, our favorite lamb kusi once again.
Our lamb kuzi. It's the favorite of Eric and me too.
Yan, tinan mo kung gaano kalambot.
Very tender.
See? This is for 2 people already. Want to take picture? Okay, thank you.
Crispy creamy.
So we're done eating dinner. Yes.
We are full again.
So kami yung Krispy Kreme para magmerienda. Dessert. Nova Indigal na yan. Pang internet yan tayong Krispy Kreme. Okay, we're here at Krispy Kreme. There's some people inside. Koreans. Hi. Good evening. Nalibre pa kami ng donut. May kakilala kasi si Daddy doon. Nilibre kami ng donut. Free donut. Actually, nagbigay ng donut nito. Lagi ni Daddy inaaway kasi kami nagbabayad ng upa sa bahay. Lagi niyang inaaway pag walang tubig, pag tinatasan yung singil. Lagi niyo sinisigaw. Kasi libre pa kami ng donut. Andun siya. Yung naka-blue. Sarap. With whipped cream.
The crispy cream.
Sabi ko pa naman, kaya 6 yung binili ko. Yung 2 kakainin natin sa loob. Actually, dito kami ngayon sa labas kasi prayer time na ng mga Arabo.
Yes.
So, pag prayer time, sinasakado nila yung mga shop. So, there's some Koreans na nag-crispy cream din. Lumabas na sila. So, yun. Chill muna dito sa sasakyan. Okay, friends. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy once again my daily vlog. And again, see you when I see you.